Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Makedo is probably one of the most versatile and creative construction toys out there, allowing you to build amazing cardboard creations with simple yet ingenious connectors. This video will show you exactly why Makedo is a must-have for any kid, or adult, who loves to build and explore their imagination through the joy of making things out of cardboard, and we will explore its features, functionalities, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your next creative project. Number 5. Tiny Land Fort Kit. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to imaginative play. Watch them build and rebuild their own amazing worlds. With 86 rods and 44 connectors, the possibilities are endless. It's easy for little hands to assemble and take apart, again and again. Castles, tunnels, rockets, the only limit is their imagination. This kit encourages collaborative play and problem solving. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time together. Join in the fun and create memorable moments with your kids. Surprise your child with a gift that sparks creativity and endless fun. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, it meets the highest safety standards. It's built to last through countless building adventures. It's a STEM toy that fosters problem-solving skills, fine motor development, and imaginative thinking. It also includes a handy storage bag for easy cleanup. What we like? It boasts tons of pieces for building elaborate structures, and it's a breeze to put together and take apart. Plus, a handy storage bag keeps everything organized. If you're looking for a versatile building toy that sparks creativity and provides hours of fun, this is the perfect choice for your family. What people say? The pieces are sturdy, easy to connect, and the possibilities for building are endless. It kept the kids busy for hours, sparking tons of creativity and teamwork. The quality seems pretty good. My 3-year-old had been bending and hitting things with the pole and nothing broken yet. Number 4. Easy Playhouse Cardboard Fort. It's more than just a playhouse, it's a blank canvas waiting for your child's imagination. Let them color, draw, and decorate it to make it their very own special home. This isn't just a house, it's a portal to endless adventures. Read stories inside, play with friends, or simply relax under the stars. The possibilities are endless. With fold-out doors and windows, and mail slots for sending and receiving messages, it's packed with fun features that will keep kids entertained for hours. It's built to last, both indoors and outdoors. Its sturdy construction ensures many hours of imaginative play. Looking for a gift that sparks creativity and provides hours of fun? This playhouse is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? This one is a blank canvas for your child's imagination. They can decorate it to create their own unique space, perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. It's made in the USA with durable materials. If you want a fort that doubles as an art project and is built to last, this is it. What people say? It arrived well packaged. Easy to assembly. It is top quality cardboard. The reviews that say this is hard to assemble are wrong. I'm a grandma and assembled it in minutes while my grandkids are napping. It's super sturdy and just delightful. The instructions were clear and all the tabs, even the roof tuck in perfectly. The size is perfect, it's bigger than you think but not too big. Really cute with the details of the moon and stars and great quality overall. It's fun for the kids to color on. Number 3. Makedo Scru-180. Expand your Makedo building experience with the Scru-180. It adds precision tools for even easier cardboard creations. This is perfect for adding to your existing Makedo set. With it, you can now connect up to 3 layers of cardboard. Build bigger and bolder structures than ever before. Let your imagination run wild. It's easy and safe for kids to use. No screens, just pure, creative fun. Perfect for boys and girls age 4 and up. Give the gift of imagination and creativity. It's a fantastic addition to any Makedo collection, or a great way to introduce a child to the world of building. Plus, it's eco-friendly. It helps develop problem-solving skills and 21st century thinking. Kids will love upcycling materials and building amazing things. It's educational fun that's good for the planet. Remember, this isn't a standalone kit, you'll need a Makedo screwdriver or mini tool to use these parts. Get creative and add lights and movement with other Maker products. What we like. It lets you connect up to 3 layers of cardboard, expanding your building possibilities. The tools are simple and safe for little hands to use. It's also a sustainable choice, using readily available cardboard. If you are looking for a tool to expand your Makedo kit and promote sustainable building practices, this is the one for you. What people say. These screws are pretty self-explanatory, but I've found that demonstrating how to use them and helping smaller kids, K3, with their first few screws makes them much more likely to be able to do them on their own. This set is great for a wide age range, and really allows a range of creative projects. Kids love making with cardboard because it is fast and durable enough to make things that they can play with or in. I like that they are reusable. Number 2. Atwood Box Lox 80-piece building kit. Introducing the Atwood Box Lox 80-piece building kit. It lets kids transform everyday cardboard boxes into amazing creations. This kit includes 80 box locks clips and an instruction sheet filled with fun ideas to get you started. It's perfect for sparking imagination and creativity. Pizza boxes, Amazon boxes, even old appliance boxes, it works with almost any type of cardboard. Give those discarded boxes a new life. From forts and mazes to wearable art and even laser tag obstacles, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. It's a fun and educational way to upcycle materials and reduce waste. Get ready for hours of imaginative play and learning. This kit is proudly made in the USA. Cardboard not included, so gather your boxes and get ready to build. What we like. With 80 clips, you can transform everyday cardboard boxes into amazing creations. It's a fantastic way to upcycle materials and reduce waste. The possibilities are endless. If you're looking for a creative and sustainable building toy that encourages imaginative play, this is a great option. What people say. It really helps them think in 3D and figure out how to attach pieces of cardboard together to make what they needed to make. These clips kept them busy for hours and were easy to use. The clips help the cardboard pieces together nicely. Number 1. Makedo Scru-Driver. This innovative tool makes building with cardboard easier than ever. It's perfect for kids and adults who love to create. Simply punch a hole, insert the SCRU or SCRU Plus, and twist. It securely joins cardboard pieces together. Cardboard is a fantastic building material, and it's readily available and reusable. It's durable and sustainable. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to build. It's great for home, school, or any creative space. Let your imagination run wild. It encourages independent creation and imaginative play. The possibilities are endless. It's more than just a toy, it's a learning tool. Kids learn by doing, creating, and experimenting with this reusable tool. What we like. This tool makes connecting cardboard pieces a snap. It's built to last and works with various cardboard types. It's also a sustainable choice, reducing waste and promoting creativity. If you're looking for a high-quality, reusable tool for your Makedo projects, this is the one to choose. What people say. Really well-made toy that fosters creativity and doesn't require batteries. This tool works perfect with the Makedo screws. The children in my class love to connect different pieces of cardboard by using the tool and specialty screws. Great tool for open-ended experiences. So easy, my 2-year can help safely but also fun for me to use. I will buy this as gifts in the future. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.